Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Albets quiz. So here we go. Orange. Doesn't really matter on that one. Florida. Mean. 2015. Roblox scariest moment ever in Apocalypse Rising. Apocalypse Rising. 3. Adam. Yes, he made a cover. Lana.
1 second.
Jake. Okay, guys, I had to do something right when I was dead. Okay, this won't stop being annoying. Okay, fine, I'll do it for you guys, I guess. A meme. 2. Oh my god! God damn it! What the heck? Orange or blue or red. Can be any. A meme. That guy did not even do it. LOL. Well, I did after LOL. Creeper. Creeper, yeah. Creeper. Oh man. Adam. Yes. Lana. Jake. Who is Rust? This guy. Mr. Flim Flam. Your Tango. I never realized that. What is his favorite song? 1,000 Miles, Despacito, What Is My Life, or Die in a Fire. Oh my god. Okay, it's not What Is My Life. Have you done what his favorite song is?
No.
On Albert's quiz. Because, like, I can't do it. Let's just speed run it. Well, not speed run.
Because my mom's tablet died.
The Apocalypse Rising. 3.
I'm gonna play Albert's quiz again, Dad. My mom's
Adam.
tablet just died, so.
Oh, we're the only ones in this server, actually. Oh, wait, no. There was only 2 of us. There was only me and you, but then this person joined straight after.
It's in Florida, guys. And Tiffany Mayum is
Mayume, Tiffany Mayume, not Miriam.
celebrity. It's not Albert's wife. Because Albert isn't even married. It's a meme on Albert's channel. When did he start YouTube? He started.
Despacito, yes! Which Roblox family cult did he join? The cult family. Wait, what? He joined the cult family, did he? I guess he didn't. Okay. I was doing so good there. Albert. Blue, red, or orange. Florida. A meme. 2015. Roblox scariest moment ever in Apocalypse Rising. Apocalypse Rising. 3. Adam. Yes. J. No, I got it on the wrong one. I forgot. Okay. I'm gonna look for a different game. See ya. Okay, it's not Christmas, so this is gonna be a funny one.
So it's gonna be mixture.
Yeah, it's not Christmas right now. Definitely not. It's like my 8th day of YouTube. Yeah.
Today is my first day, guys. Oh no, the bridge.
Oh God. Oof.
It's broken. Find another way out. There's no way out. You have to try and jump.
Why is Santa trying to escape his own place? Like he's being an idiot. He's being an idiot. Santa, why are you being an idiot?
I got stuck.
Okay. Ooh. And I made it. Boom. Easy. Boom. Easy. Easy. What? Is that possible? Like, jumping over that? It has to be possible. Okay. Let's just stop being... Let's just stop screaming at this stupid obby. How did I die though? How did I die? What the hell was that for, Molly? Molly out. Cheat sheet. Looks like you need help there, buddy. I'll give you an exclusive skip. No thanks. That's probably one of the scams. Oh God. How? No thanks. Guys, I'm just gonna turn back into the original characters and Okay, guys, I'm back. You jump on the square. It's not like the ice ones. The ones that look like the ice. They kill you.
Yeah, but I'm on. Okay.
Ooh,
Got you now. I've got a gravity coil.
Wait, did you get it for free?
No.
Lucky, I don't have any more Robux.
It's 30 Robux.
I know, and I don't have Robux.
What?
Is that supposed to be possible?
I get it. I get it.
But I don't know if it's possible. Like, oh, that's funny. My head was okay. Why does it force you to waste your Robux? I would rather pay to stop that from coming up every time I die. How did I die though?
Like 3 times or like.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. That game's like impossible. Guys, I'm in Build-A-Bot for treasure. So, yeah, I made a car. And I'm brave enough to show it to you guys in this episode. It was going to be in another episode. But it's going to be today. As you can see, it loaded quite quick. Are you ready? Yeah, it's over there. It's that red thing. It's not a good one. But like I would say it is a car.
You know what I'm playing on?
What?
It's 25. This game is called Escape Evil Mom. And you know what? She burned all of our controllers, all of our Xbox controllers and Wi-Fi There's only 25 stages. When it's only 25 stages, it means it's going to be easy.
Okay, just gonna get in there.
What? Let me
Just
know
like
when
that.
I go.
Let me jump, please. There, I'm in the control. I'm in the controlling seat. Now you can basically just drive now. Like no hinges at all. It is quite weird to control. Like you can't turn around at certain times, and it'll fall over. So like I probably recommend something different. Yeah, but that's not what the car's all about in today's video. We're not gonna make the car. We are gonna make an obby. Hopefully, if I can. So we've got Royale. Me and my friend have been making that. I might do a video on that superhero. I'll show you guys that right now. You're basically a superhero like this, but like you don't really want to be the robot. So I wouldn't be the robot. Oh yeah, and also another one, Jesse TC made. I can't stop making stuff from Jesse TC. So shout out to him. But let's make it. Basically what it is, you need butter for it. Make sure it's unanchored. Get the butter block. Well, super glue. You do this, and this. Delete that. Well, click that. I think you might actually. Wait. I think you need to do something a bit like this for it.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
try that maybe.
What?
And then
What?
I'm doing a video.
Yeah, I will.
So I've got a plan.
Wait. I'm not making any more videos tonight. No, I'm alright.
Okay.
I'm playing on my tablet now. Your tablet is charging. Look, it's done this.
And get that. Then the magnet.
Yeah. I'm on Escape McDonald's.
It is quite big, isn't it? Okay, then you go all the way up, get the chair, place the chair in your head. Doesn't matter where the chair faces. Really. This is a cool glitch Jesse TC made. Okay, just get it. I can't stop saying Jesse TC. Okay. Really, 15%. So let's just not care about that for now. Okay, then boop, and then boop.
Oh my gosh.
Do that. Do that. Okay. This one is kind of hard to control. As you can see, it's quite weird as well.
Oh, that was coming from my eyes. That's not normal.
Yeah. Okay. Get that. Okay. That. I wanted there. Okay, see that? You like turn around and then like.
Mommy, no shouting in Joseph's video. Mommy.
Okay, you can get to like different places. You can do stuff like that, and yeah. Of course, you can stop it. Oh, there. Okay. I don't know if it would like take like. Wait a second. Can I? Okay. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. So, then I don't know, but can you like? You can. You can. Can you? Wait, that actually works.
This level is actually really, really hard to learn.
Just push me. It does like do good stuff for you, maybe. I don't know. You can fly. Wait, no, you can't. It just pushes you. Oh God, you can kind of. What the heck? Okay, yeah. This video is not all about glitches. So let's just do everything. Let's just do everything. What do I mean? Get that. Flip that. Yeah. Delete them. Just clear all. No. I am starting the obby. So how will it work? First it's gonna have like this. Okay. And make that 0.1. Okay, it needs to be anchored. Stupid turtle. Okay. Wee. So you're gonna go up.
He's going on it.
Do that. Do that. Okay.
This obby is not easy. I'm only on level 2. Everyone's moved up like 5 stages and I'm only on level 2.
Okay. That'll do.
How dare you say that to me?
Just jump. That's an obby, right? Yeah, just jump. Okay. You're gonna start jumping on some coal.
How dare someone's coming.
Okay, so
There's no like skip stage on this. This guy.
that'll start easy. Just do that. Boop. Change that to like that. Okay, then it's gonna take you over to this.
No,
And then you're going to have a nice little path. Kinda path, I don't know.
Escape the Barbie obby. Escape Barbie, oh yeah. I like Roblox. But you have to be careful on it.
Okay.
I thought Barbie was nice. Well, if you ever see it,
So then you do that. Well, you don't need to do this. I'm just gonna pause the video right here for you guys. I'm just gonna pause the video until I get to like some progress I want to show you guys. So ciao. Guys, the obby is finished. Now to finish off the video, we're gonna do the obby and then just do the outro. So I'm jumping on this. I know all the cheats because I'm the one who made it. But then I just made it. This is the hardest one for the animation of my jumping. For my jump. Because like, I don't know, like, it feels like you jump higher with the normal animation where you just raise your hands in the air. So, yeah. It is quite hard for robots. Oh god.
Did you know there's this game? You know what it's called?
Okay, just jump on the levers.
You know what it's called? This movie is called.
Boom.
To death.
This is possible, but it is hard. Just walk on the sand. Sand's not gonna do anything. Jump on the magnet. That is hard because the magnet's pointing up. When it points down, it's just as hard. So yeah. Why don't I finish off the video by showing what it looks like when you launch the boat? So this is it now, and this is it when it launches. Nothing too different. It's just basically like an obby, but on water. Oh god, it's messed up, and at least I can like go small and stuff. No, I can't. So yeah, I will do some more just now. But it is hard. It is hard, but not really hard. Like one of the hardest obbies on Roblox. It is hard, but not the hardest obby on Roblox. Okay, this is all made in Build a Boat for Treasure. If you meet me in game and want to check it out, just ask me to spawn in my obby. If I say sorry, I don't have that anymore, it means that I have to like use it for a different thing, for a different video probably, or something. That is the hardest one. I feel like it. I like can't do it. This is the hardest obby I've ever done, really, in Build a Boat. Like I remember, I've played another obby that someone else made, and then that inspired me to do this. That was when I was bad at the game, and like I didn't have any tools except from the first two. So yeah. I'm just gonna do this. I don't think I would try to jump back. Do not eat the candy if you find me and you want to do that. Do it with me. Okay. Just jump on the jets. Well, walk on them, I guess. And then jump on the truck. What?
I might call you back tomorrow.
Okay. And then, bye. And then you walk on the tightrope. You go on the doors that are locked and then trap doors. And then end. You've finished. And you basically get a lot of stuff you can use. Like, you get to do that, I guess. Get all the gear. It was really fun making this. Want more or something? If you want, like, more stuff, you can. So, yeah. See you in the next one. Bye.